All right, guys, here we are at 266 Market Street, unit number 2. 3-bed, living room, dining room, eat-in kitchen, in-unit laundry, Four Seasons porch, and a back porch. Awesome, spacious deal. This is the first bedroom. That's as soon as we walk up the stairs to our left. Then we walk into the living room. As you can see, tons of natural light. Super high ceilings, which make it look even bigger than it already is. Here's the Four Seasons porch. Sliding doors. Extra long. Also included in this apartment is 3 off-street parking spaces, which make it super convenient. Here's the dining room.